money, cause I be the baddie beat.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel, and I am back with another video. This video is going to be all about this hair that I'm currently rocking. This is another collaboration with Evawigs. If you are familiar with my channel, then you know I work with Evawigs pretty often. This is their Kinky straight unit. I'll leave all the information down in the description box as well as on the screen. But the SKU for this unit is LF-C-991. Color natural black. Hair type is 100% Indian Remy. Hair length is 22 inches. The density is 150. It has 3-inch lace parting and the cap size is average. So I do have a code for you guys. It's tied for you, and you can save 15% off any unit on evawigs.com. And they are having a winter sale, so there will be quite a few discount codes that I'll leave in the description box. So to get into the specs that they touch base on, so this is a natural black hair color. There are very, very little strands of like that gold color that natural hair comes with. So as far as it being 150 density, I believe that is accurate. This is a full unit, as you can see. Oh, it's 3-inch lace parting. I don't really care for that. I prefer a little bit more parting when it comes to my lace front wigs, because basically I wanted to do a deep side part, but the furthest I could go was here. If I try to bring my part over any deeper, I run out of lace. So it's once we get to the side, my lace stops here. So you get 3-inch lace parting in this area here, but it is an overall lace front unit. So as far as the texture, I absolutely love it. This is mimicking natural hair. Love it. 22 inches long, perfect length. I definitely am enjoying this length. I love the fact that this unit was pre-plucked. As you can see, I didn't do any plucking and it's already done for you. So it saves you a lot of time, especially if you're not the type of person that likes to pluck your units. This one is pre-plucked for you. This wig is more on the expensive side. I'm not even gonna front, but I love Evawigs. Like, they're always of good quality. The cap size on this is average, and I do have to say that if you are a person with a larger head or you got real thick hair and your cornrows are thick, you might need to get a bigger size. This is an average size wig. My cornrows aren't the freshest under here, so it I didn't have as much room. I like to pull my lace fronts a little further down, but being that my braids weren't the freshest and this being an average size cap, I didn't have that much room. I had enough room. Like, the wig is good, but I didn't have as much room as I like to have. So keep that in mind if you are interested in this wig. This hair does withstand heat because I flat ironed this hair when I got it. When I got it, I bleached the knots. The knots do not come bleached. I bleached it, and it bleached really, really well. It's giving you real scalp action. So I bleached it, shampooed and conditioned it. It was like big. Not like afro, but it wasn't like afro big, but it was big. So I did go through and flat iron the hair, and then I used my hot comb just to flatten it out a little bit. It still has a really nice texture. Something about this texture here, whenever I have it in, I just can't stop running my fingers through it. It feels so good, and it looks good. Like, it looks natural. Like, I love the luster, the texture. You get some versatility with this hair. You can throw this hair up, you can pull it back. Like I said, it's pre-plucked. That's like one of the best things about this wig. I think most of the wigs I got from Eva were pre-plucked, like, when I think about it. So most of the units are pre-plucked, but this one is bomb. She's beautiful. If you're not familiar with Evawigs, you always get a cute box. So you get the Evawigs box with the Eva logo. They always send you what they call a user manual, which is just some information on the hair and how to care for it. You get your signature Eva comb, and you get some bobby pins. I remember last time, oh, you get a wig cap, but I used that. It's on my head. And last time I remember getting an elastic band, which I really did like because I would love to add an elastic band into this wig, but I didn't get an elastic band this time, but it's okay. I'll add one anyway. But that is about it. That's gonna wrap up this video. I really do like this hair. Like I said, Evawigs is more on the expensive side, but I do love the quality of their wigs. You always know what type of hair you're going to get. I ain't really getting no shedding with this hair. I'm going to stand up and show you where it falls on me. It is 22 inches long, and I'm 5'7". And that's about it. I want to thank all you beauties for watching. Definitely thumbs this video up. Definitely stay tuned for the rest of my videos. I want to wish all you beauties a happy holidays, Merry Christmas, whatever you celebrate, Happy New Year's. Thank you, Evawigs, for being so patient with me because, listen, I know, but it's been so busy. So, until next time, you beauties better